Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial where I will be explaining the basics of SolidWorks by creating a simple square shaped part. Select part here and then click OK, and now you are in the part environment. Select unit before making any sketch. I am choosing MMSG here. Now select here sketch and select the line command. Choose the line command and select the front plane here. Now click here in the environment like this and make a straight line. Select this point here and then make a vertical line like this. Again, select the point and make a horizontal line and then click here. Complete the square shape like this. Now this simple sketch is completed. Uh, let's make dimensions as per requirements. Select dimensions here. Select this line and make dimension as 50 millimeter. You can see here the sketch is underdefined. Select this line and make dimension as 30 millimeter. Now you can see here the sketch is fully defined. Select this line. And now this option means that this dimension will be the driven dimension. Click OK. Let me show you the difference between the driving and driven dimension. Change the dimension of first line. You can see the driven dimension is changed accordingly. Let's change it again, make it 60 millimeter, and you can see the driven dimension is changed accordingly. Now press the escape button. Once the sketch is fully defined, we can use the extrude command. Select extrude base here. We use extrude command to make a 3D object. You can change these parameters as per requirements. After adjusting these parameters, you can click OK. Now this is our 3D object. This is a simple rectangular shaped object. You can view this object in different views like this. In the next video, we will be exploring some more commands and features of SolidWorks. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more SolidWorks tutorials. Thank you.